Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can create your account on Exodus. So the first thing is to make sure that Exodus is installed on your phone. After making sure that, now launch the app. After launching the app, here you will see the option of I have a wallet or create wallet. We are going to create an account, so tap on create wallet. And that is all that you have to do. Now you have successfully created yourself a Exodus account. Now, in order to secure your account, what you're gonna do is tap on security, for which you have to tap on this button right here. After tapping on it, here you can see the option of security. Tap on it. And then you can tap on backups. And here you can see two methods, iCloud backup or secret phrase. Tapping on iCloud backup will allow your wallet to get restored with a passkey using Face ID or Touch ID. Here we are going to use secret phrase, which requires writing down 12-word recovery phrase in order to restore your wallet anytime. So simply tap on it. So while doing this, make sure that you are on a private space, since this phrase could be used by anyone in order to open your wallet. So simply just tap on I understand the risks of sharing my secret phrase, and then tap on view secret phrase. Here you can see press and hold to reveal. Simply just press and hold in order to reveal the secret phrase. Here you will be able to see your secret phrase now. Make sure to write the secret phrase in order, since we might need it later in order to recover your wallet. Now when you're done with it, simply just tap on this done button. And now here you will get asked one question. Answer the question according to the phrase that you have written. After you've selected it, now tap on done. And like this, you have now secured your wallet. You will now be able to recover your wallet anytime with the secret phrase that you just written. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.